Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Chevy Cruze hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the cabin, typically on the driver's side, near the kick panel or door sill. It often has a small car icon with the hood open. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct pop sound from the front of the vehicle, indicating the primary latch has released. Now, move to the front of your Cruze. The hood will be slightly ajar, perhaps by about 1/2 inch to 1 inch. Carefully reach your hand underneath the center of the hood's leading edge. You'll be feeling for a small, secondary safety latch mechanism. This is a crucial step to prevent accidental opening while driving, ensuring safety. Once you've located the secondary latch, which is usually a small lever or tab, you'll need to manipulate it. Depending on your Cruze model, you might push it to the left or right, or perhaps lift it upwards. As you do this, gently lift the hood with your other hand. The hood should now fully release and allow you to raise it completely. With the hood fully open, look for the metal prop rod. It's typically clipped into place on the underside of the hood or near the engine bay. Unclip it and extend it. Then, find the small, designated hole on the underside of the hood itself. Insert the end of the prop rod into this hole to securely hold the hood open while you work, preventing it from accidentally closing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.